We're going to talk about setting up for water on your trip. You have two more main sources of water. You have a portable water tank that you can fill up before your trip when you're on the road or if you're going off grid. And you also have the option to hook up to a water source directly here, so you have a constant water if you're at the campground with the water hookups. You are going to come with two of these white hoses in case you need to connect these together to make it a little bit longer. Now, in order to fill up your portable water tank, what you're going to do is you're going to take this valve, hook it directly on the end here, and you're going to turn this. And this is what this does is when you go into your portable water source, you're going to see this red cap that's right here. You're going to pull that red cap out, use this long tube. You're going to be able to directly put the water in here, open up this valve, and you'll be able to have the water run through. It's vital to be paying attention to this. Once you start to see any water drip out, you need to turn it off and make sure not to overflow it. Now, when you're hooking up to a water source, whether you're hooking up at your house or you're hooking up to the campground, you need to make sure you have your water filter and your pressure gauge hooked up. These two are vitally important to make sure there's no damage to the water system. What this does here, this side hooks directly into your water source on the water spigot, and it will automatically regulate the pressure. You're going to take your water filter, hook it directly onto here, make sure it's tight. Then you're able to connect your water hose directly to this to make sure your water is filtered. What we always recommend is before you put the water in your camper, whether it's the portable tank or here, you turn the water source on, let this run for about 5 to 10 seconds to get all the water out from your brand new filter. Now, let's say you're at the campsite and you want full water. What you need to do is you need to take this part off, store it away, and you're going to be able to directly hook into this water connection here. And then you're going to have a constant water source the entire part of the trip. The water pump will need to be used whether you're using water out of the tank or out of the water source.